You've just been told that you're going to use AI to help create your speech. And if you start with something like this, you're going to get a generic message that sounds nothing like you. Let's talk about a framework for creating prompts that allows you to retain control of your message while still taking advantage of AI. So, starting with the Atlas framework, audience. This is the most important part. Who are you talking to and what do they care about? This should always be the center of your communication. Topic and task. What are you trying to do? Language. What's the tone? How do you want to be viewed by your audience? Arrangement. How do you want to actually organize this message that you're asking AI for help with? And then finally, seeking feedback. So in this prompt here, I'm trying to figure out what I want to talk about, but also keeping the audience in mind. I'm starting with both the topic and task, but I'm also including some audience information, a Galveston College student, to try to figure out like what my speech is going to be about in the first place. So it gives me all kinds of information about the Astros and food kinds of ideas and watercolor ideas. But after reviewing it, I like the option it gives me about meal planning. I'm not exactly sure what I want to say about meal planning yet, so I'm going to ask it to help me a little bit more with this and look more at the topic and the task. So I'm asking it for 10 ideas about meal planning, and I'm not going to use 10 ideas. I don't want that many main ideas in my speech, but I want options that I can choose from, and this is going to give me more control over my message. So here in this step, I have picked some main ideas I like. I've also given it some information about the language, how I want to be viewed. I want to be helpful and knowledgeable, and I want to arrange it in an introduction, a body, and a conclusion format. And I've also included some specifics, the main ideas that I liked, and it spit out a lovely outline for me. But here's where this really gets powerful. I'm going to ask AI to give me some feedback. What have I not thought about? What are some audience considerations that maybe I've missed or hadn't thought of? What other ideas should I consider? And here it gives me some really helpful information. It popped up all kinds of things that I hadn't really thought about. Like, okay, they might not know how to cook. You're cooking in a dorm room. You don't have any freezer space. Somewhere in all of this, it mentioned rice cookers, and I remembered these Instagram videos I follow on like all kinds of things you can do as rice cookers. So I played around with this a little bit, and ultimately I decided to drop my third main idea about like mental health and reducing stress, and I decided to focus just on like saving time, saving money, and rice cookers, meals you could make in a rice cooker. And so it helped me put together a pretty solid outline on this, and I felt a lot better about my topic at this point. It also gave me the option, hello, would you like keyword note card version? Well, yes, please. That would be really helpful. And remember, you want keywords and phrases, not word for word outlines. Otherwise, it's not going to sound like you, and I'm going to make you redo it anyway. So again, this Atlas framework is ways that you're putting in information into AI about your audience, what you're trying to do, your topic and task, language, the tone, how are you going to organize this, your introduction, body, conclusion, as well as the specific details of what you need in the introduction, body, and conclusion, and then ask it for feedback. Try to get a little more information. This is going to give you a much better product and help you retain control of your message to put together a really outstanding speech.